They were supposed to be gone forever, yet somehow they're still among us. Welcome to another mind-blowing episode of Wowverse. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It only takes a second, but it means the world to us. Can we hit 1 million subscribers by the end of this year? With your support, anything is possible. Now let's dive into these ancient creatures that refuse to die.
Echidnas. Echidnas, or spiny anteaters, are one of the most extraordinary examples of ancient life that still roams the earth. These creatures have been around for 110 million years, surviving the age of the dinosaurs and witnessing the rise and fall of countless species. Echidnas, along with platypus, are the only surviving members of the monotremes, an ancient group of egg-laying mammals. These solitary animals are best known for their spiny coats, which provide protection from predators. Their diet consists primarily of ants and termites, which they consume using their large, sticky tongues. Echidnas are equipped with strong, clawed feet, making them excellent diggers. They use this skill not only to find food, but also to burrow into the ground for safety. Echidnas have adapted to a variety of environments across Australia and New Guinea, from snowy mountains to deserts, showcasing their incredible adaptability. Goblin shark. The goblin shark is a rare and mysterious creature that resides in the depths of the ocean, earning its nickname living fossil due to its primitive features that have remained unchanged for millions of years. Characterized by its distinctively long and flat snout, the goblin shark uses the unique appendage as a sensory organ to detect electric fields produced by other sea creatures. This ability is crucial in the pitch-black waters of the deep sea where it lives, often reaching depths of over 3,000 feet. The shark's jaw is also highly specialized, so it can snap forward in a rapid motion to catch prey, a remarkable adaptation that allows it to feed on a variety of deep-sea fish and squid. The goblin shark's body is flabby, and its skin is a pale, ghostly pink due to its lack of pigmentation, a common trait among many deep-sea animals. Its liver is large and contains low-density oils and hydrocarbons, which help in resilience, allowing the shark to float effortlessly through the deep waters without expending much energy. Alligator gar. The alligator gar is a fish that takes us back 100 million years through the corridors of time. Found primarily in the rivers and lakes of the southern United States, this fish is renowned for its formidable size and prehistoric appearance, including a long, tooth-filled snout that resembles that of an alligator, hence its name. One of the most fascinating aspects of the alligator gar is its gonoid scales, which are thick, diamond-shaped scales that act like a natural armor. These scales are not only a defense mechanism, but also a remarkable holdover from its ancient ancestors. Alligator gars are among the largest freshwater fishes in North America, capable of growing up to 10 feet long and weighing over 300 pounds. They are ambush predators, relying on their stealth and speed to catch prey, which includes fish, waterfowl, and small mammals. Despite their fearsome appearance and predatory nature, alligator gars are generally not a threat to humans unless provoked. Platypus. The platypus, often considered one of the most unusual animals in the world, expresses a unique blend of traits that bridge mammals, birds, and reptiles. Native to eastern Australia, including Tasmania, these curious creatures have been a subject of fascination and study due to its extensive characteristics, which paint a picture of evolutionary history spanning over 200 million years. What makes the platypus particularly remarkable is its method of reproduction. It is one of the few mammals that lay eggs instead of giving birth to live young. About 10 to 12 days after laying, the eggs hatch, and the mother nurses her young, creating milk through specialized glands in her skin, as platypuses lack nipples. The platypus is also equipped with electroreceptors in its bill, allowing it to detect minute electrical signals emitted by the muscles and nerves of its prey. This ability is crucial for hunting underwater, where the platypus spends much of its time searching for food such as insects, larvae, and small crustaceans. Australian ghost shark. The Australian ghost shark, also known as the elephant shark, cast a mysterious shadow in the deep waters off the coast of Australia and New Zealand. This creature, which has swum in the oceans for approximately 400 million years, belongs to a group of cartilaginous fishes that include sharks and rays, but it stands out due to its unique evolutionary path. Ghost sharks are known for their distinctive large, elephant-like snouts which they use to detect electric fields generated by their prey. This ability allows them to hunt effectively in the murky depths where light is scarce. Their diet mainly consists of small invertebrate and fish, which they crush using their specially adapted plate-like teeth. Despite their ancient lineage, ghost sharks are relatively small, usually reaching about 4 feet in length, and their bodies are more flexible and less robust compared to their shark relatives. This flexibility is likely an adaptation that has enabled their survival through various geological periods. Chinese giant salamander. The Chinese giant salamander, as its name suggests, is an imposing figure in the amphibian world. This salamander is the largest of its kind, with some individuals reaching nearly 6 feet in length. Native to the freshwater streams and lakes of China, this species is considered a living relic, reflecting a lineage that dates back millions of years. The giant salamander body is wrinkled and splotched, camouflaging against the rocky riverbeds it inhabits. It is fully aquatic, breathing primarily through its skin due to the extensive network of tubes that cover its body. This adaptation is crucial for its survival in the oxygen-rich cold waters of its habitat. Despite their size and resilience, Chinese giant salamanders face critical threats from habitat destruction and the illegal wildlife trade, where they are highly sought after for their meat and purported medicinal properties. Coelacanth. Long thought to have gone extinct with the dinosaurs around 65 million years ago, this ancient fish astonished the scientific community when it was rediscovered alive in 1938 off the coast of South Africa. The discovery of the coelacanth, often referred to as a living fossil, has provided unparalleled insights into the Earth's evolutionary past. Coelacanths are large, deep-sea creatures, reaching lengths of up to 6 feet and weighing as much as 200 pounds. They are known for their distinctive lobed fins, which move in a peculiar, limb-like motion that gives an insight into the transition of aquatic animals to land dwellers. Their bodies are covered with thick, scaly armor, which has changed little over millions of years, suggesting a highly successful adaptation strategy. What makes coelacanths particularly fascinating is their method of internal fertilization and live birth, a rare trait among fish. Lamprey. The lamprey, with its eerie, jawless mouth, resembles a creature from another era. Indeed, this fish is a survivor from ancient times, having existed over 360 million years. Lampreys are distinctive for their tooth-lined, funnel-like sucking mouth, which they use to latch onto other fish to feed on their blood and bodily fluids. Lampreys are found in temperate regions across the globe, living in coastal and fresh waters. They have a complex life cycle that includes a long larval stage, where they live buried in soft riverbeds, filter feeding on microorganisms. This stage can last for several years before they metamorphose into adult form known for its parasitic habits. Remarkably, after this transformation and a brief period of feeding, they reproduce once, then die shortly after, spawning, fulfilling their role in the ecosystem. Their primary persistence through millions of years and massive planetary changes speaks to the lamprey's adaptability. Sturgeon. Sturgeons are ancient fish that have been swimming in our rivers and lakes since the time of the dinosaurs, dating back to the Triassic period. These massive fish are known for their extended bodies, scaly texture, and distinctive bony scutes that provide protection. Sturgeons are some of the largest freshwater fish, with some species growing up to 12 feet long and weighing over 1,000 pounds. Found predominantly in the temperate waters of Eurasia and North America, sturgeons have a slow growth rate and live long lives, some reaching over a century old. They play a crucial role in their aquatic ecosystems, feeding on a variety of small fish and invertebrate, which helps to keep these populations in check. Sturgeons are perhaps best known for their roe or eggs, which are processed into caviar, a highly prized delicacy. This demand for caviar has led to overfishing and severe declines in many sturgeon populations,
making conservation efforts critical.
Cassowary. The cassowary, often referred to as the world's most dangerous bird, is a direct descendant of dinosaurs. with its ancestry providing a living snapshot of prehistoric times. Native to the tropical forest of New Guinea and northern Australia, these large, flightless birds are known for their striking appearance, which includes vibrant blue skin on their necks and heads and a helmet-like casque atop their skulls. Cassowaries are solitary creatures, preferring to roam alone in their forest habitats. They are mainly frugivorous, meaning their diet mainly consists of fruit, which they play a crucial role in dispersing across the forest floor. Despite their colorful appearance, cassowaries are extremely shy and solitary, but they can become aggressive if threatened and cornered, especially during the breeding season. They are capable of delivering powerful kicks with their strong legs and sharp claws, which can be dangerous to other animals and humans alike.
Which one of these ancient survivors shocked you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next wild video on Wowverse.